I love this keyboard and mouse. First, this is my first mechanical keyboard and mouse with RGB. It's good mechanical keyboard and mouse, it's loud and beautiful RGB, I can't complain for the price, and the blue switch is nice, but the mouse it's heavy and it made only for right-handed. For me, I'm using my left hand, it's hard, had nice RGB brightness, and you can download their software for the mouse so you can. Shipping took 3 days, but the packages was damaged and open because they don't even wrap, just came on the actual box but nothing damaged inside. It also come with key ejector, you have to look for it, it's hidden in the box, maybe you throw the box with it. Overall it's good deal and happy with this products. I had this for 2 months and had no problem with it. However, please do not use the mouse. The buttons has ghosting so you can't click the side buttons at the same time. I'm using a different budget mouse from my local popular store and it is better. The keyboard, though, is amazing, but take note that they are blue switches so it may be loud for you. There are many different RGB options too if you are into that. Overall, the keyboard is a very good deal for its price and the armrest is okay. But don't use the mouse if gaming. Nice solid mechanical keyboard, but the font used on the keycaps are bizarre and take time to get used to. For example, look at the A, D, G, B, R, and Q keys. I prefer the classical/standard keyboard font. I've purchased this about a month and a half ago and it is such a good product. You're getting a lot of bang for your buck and it's very beautiful and sleek. Would recommend this if you're looking for something solid for gaming or just enjoyment. Plus the key clicks sound amazing. Update December 8, 2019, purchased second keyboard for home. So now I have one in the office and this one I will use at home. Awesome keyboard, really like it. Mouse for me is not comfortable, so I am using different one. But keyboard is really nice. Like the feel and comfort and price. Exclamation mark equals 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 equals. I am not a gamer, but love mechanical keyboards for typing commands in command line, composing documents for client and stuff like that. This keyboard has exceeded my expectations. Keys have good feel, really easy to type, ergonomics are okay. I don't care about different lighting modes, I just switch to red solid color which is very pleasant to my eyes. Actually I am using this keyboard for this review smile, so for $38, this keyboard is awesome as daily rider for office work. The mouse, I did not like it. To me it feels light and not comfortable. I have different mouse which I use. So this one I will keep it as spare in case of emergency. The Havit mechanical keyboard is the perfect keyboard for beginner gamers or someone looking to brighten up their office space with some RGB. Looks and feels great. The wrist rest on the keyboard is plastic, but comfortable. Mechanical keyboard has blue switches, which are looser than most, but quite capable. The mouse has adjustable DPS options for gaming and is a good size. Click the link under this video for more details, reviews and current pricing.